Hi, this is Maury Loomis, Premier Motorcoach Innovations. We're right here to show you a very interesting job. We've got a lot of things going on here in the shop. As you can see behind me, we have an RV roof replacement that's going on. And then we have this job right here. Check it out. This one we just took off the roof. This is a camper. The roof was damaged, so the manufacturer supplied us a new roof. So there's the roof right there, taken off. We just took that off about 20 minutes ago. Here's a box truck that we're working on. There's a Sprinter, an RV that we're putting a new roof on. And then we have this coach that we just finished a new roof on, this Chieftain. But this project right here is a pretty good one. We've got the roof off and ready to put it back on. So once again, Maury Loomis, Premier Motorcoach Innovations, RV repair, RV collision, paint and body. Give us a call here at the shop, 714-259-7555. Have a great day.